So good to be back on the bike, though. You still got to be careful, right? Because you know what, it's sunny. It's like, and it's right now it's actually like 8 degrees outside, so it's like 30 degrees Fahrenheit. People might think it's warm, but you know what? The asphalt might feel warm when the sun is out, but the ground is still frozen. So you gotta be careful. You gotta be smooth, right? You gotta, you know, you can't be just doing stupid things, because you're gonna end up dead. Welcome back to another upload of It's a Dyer Thing. Rob here, and yeah, I'm finally getting the bikes back out. The bike was just coming back from a recall, so it spent a little bit of time over at Snowcity Cycle here in Toronto, and yeah, so brought the bike in for the recall. We had the TPS and the reprogramming that needed to be done, and then at the same time I asked the boys at and Maddie, my dear Maddie at Snowcity, if I bring them some spark plugs and the air filters, or as a customer you can buy spark plugs and the air filters from the dealerships, and asked them if they were able to kind of do it for me, right? So especially on the TPS recall for all CP3 and CP4 bikes. Come on, what are you doing, guys? You need to actually, because it's used, you actually physically have to lift the tank up, and then you have to remove the airbox, remove the intake and the throttle body sensor systems, and then you can actually physically swap out the TPS sensor. So while you're doing that, you might as well take full advantage of a dealer who's already being paid under the recall through the manufacturer. Get your brand new air filter installed and get yourself a brand new set of spark plugs. I mean, that alone, you know, that's almost like an hour and a half just to get that done if you were to bring your bike into the dealership, where they're already doing that to do the recall. Work out the deal with your local dealer network and see if they can help you out and get that done all at the same time. I mean, you know what, it's only a cost-effective way for you guys, and at the same time, you know, it gets your maintenance up and ready just for the brand new season. So you're starting off perfect, clean, brand new season. Get your oil change done, do it all. Your bike is going to be happy, you're going to be happy. You're not going to have to do that in the middle of the summer when you can actually spend more time riding than less time in the shop, right? So anyways, that's what we did. We got that done. Bike is happy. I'm super happy. I asked them, I said, because I got 19,000 kilometers on it, I said, so how's my filter and how are the spark plugs? Rob, man, he said, that filter was dirty. I said, I know. So some of the routes that we did, it got pretty dusty, got pretty dirty out there, but and I knew it was going to happen, and I'm just so happy, you know what, that the recall was out there, which allowed me to get this done at the same time, right? So, but yeah, it was really dirty. It really needed to be done, so we're cool on that. And then I said, how are the spark plugs? The tips were kind of roundish as well. So 19,000 kilometers. The spark plugs are due to be changed on this particular model at 13,000 kilometers. So I still kind of went over a little bit, but you know what? Nowadays, like, the quality of the products are pretty cool, so I wasn't too worried about it. And I was going to do it in the spring myself, but because of this TPS recall, Snowcity Cycle did it for me, and took care of it all, did the reprogramming, so I'm super happy, super stoked. Now all I have to do is ride. So anyways, we got lots to do, lots to come, lots to happen very soon, and so till next time, y'all be safe, take care, have fun. If you haven't received a letter yet for your recall, you know, you can always go and you can contact your local dealer network with your VIN number, with your information, and see if you are affected in it. For the most part, it's 2021 and newer, and that would be all CP3 and CP4 engines for the most part. But yeah, get it done. It's just going to be that much easier for you. Be safe, do it smart, and then this way you'll have plenty of fun in the summer to ride around. Not that it's dangerous or anything, but you know what, it needs to be done for safety recall. So don't delay, get it done today. Woohoo! Sounds like an ad, eh? So anyways, y'all be safe, take care, have fun, be good. I'm about to get home and I'm cold already, so 6 degrees, man. Yeah, it's nice in the sun, but man, that ground is still cold, right? So be safe. Bye bye.